The next important topic regards a person who commits falsehood. I want to know what is the ruling regarding a person who commits falsehood of the tongue whilst fasting in Ramadan.
A person who says false things or lies during the month of Ramadan, as the beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, Hadith number 1903, that a person who does not leave his false actions and false speech, Allah Subhanahu wa ta'ala does not require him to leave his food and drink. That means the person who keeps on lying and continues doing his false action and false tongue, Allah does not require him to leave his food or drink, indicating that doesn't mean that the fast will break. If you fast, this is not one of the things that break the fast, but the reward that you'll get for fasting, it will be diminished. And if you do a sin, such as telling a lie, but natural, what reward you're going to get while fasting, it will be diminished, or maybe it will nullify. As the beloved Prophet ﷺ also said, it's mentioned in Hadith of Ibn Majah, volume number 3, book of fasting, Hadith number 1690, that there are many people who fast but do not get any reward. It is as though they're fasting only for hunger. That means if you do such acts of false deeds or false action, your reward is not there, as though you're just keeping yourself hungry or starving or dieting. The main purpose that you learn self-restraint is defeated.
May Allah encourage us and help us to perform righteous actions which we benefit from in this world and the hereafter, inshallah.